Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI, and not only am I always trying to drink water, but I'm always trying to encourage my daughter. That's why we're super happy that we found this great cup from Sparrow. This is a wonderful drinking cup that allows her to be able to track how much she's drinking, and it's made of really great materials. This cup lets you track how much water you're drinking, and although it's dark, it is see-through so you can see the water as well. It's made out of a BPA-friendly plastic, and it's very durable and shatterproof. The cup also has a unique filter at the top to help alleviate bacteria and backwash, which is a great feature, particularly for kids. I also really like the convenient carrying strap that it has, and my daughter said that's her favorite feature as well. The cup is leak-proof too, so that makes it a really awesome cup for kids, and when it gets bounced around, you can be sure that it will stay nice and safe. So it's really good to get your kids in the game when it comes to drinking water and being able to track it themselves to encourage them to stay healthy. You can really stay hydrated with this great water bottle from Sparrow, but that's just my point of view.